the Photoshop Remove tool is throwing an error, glitching, freezing, or just refusing to work properly, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step, so you can get the tool working again as quickly as possible. These solutions are especially helpful if you're seeing execution errors, performance issues, missing components, or weird behavior when trying to remove objects from your photos. If this tutorial helps you out, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tips, troubleshooting guides, and easy how-to videos just like this one. It really helps support the channel, and it tells YouTube to show this video to more people who need it. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you should try is switching the Remove tool processing mode. Photoshop gives you different processing options, and if the tool is set to the faster mode, that can sometimes cause glitches or unstable behavior. To change this, go up to Edit, then click Preferences, and then open Image Processing. Inside that menu, look for the Remove tool processing setting. If it's set to faster, switch it to more stable. This may sound simple, but in many cases it solves the problem immediately because Photoshop prioritizes reliability over speed. After changing the setting, restart Photoshop so the new preference fully applies. Once the program reopens, test the Remove tool again and see if the error is gone. If the tool is still not working, the next fix is to make sure all the required tool components are installed. Sometimes Photoshop needs extra add-ons or background components to make the Remove tool work correctly. And if those files are missing, the feature can fail or prompt an error. To check this, open the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app. From there, go to Apps, find Photoshop, and click the three dots menu next to it. Then choose Get Add-ons. This helps ensure the advanced Remove tool components are properly installed and available. If anything was missing, Adobe Creative Cloud should be able to restore or download what the tool needs. After that, go back into Photoshop and try the Remove tool again on a sample image. Now, if you're still getting a glitch or an execution error, it's a good idea to reset the tool itself. Tool settings can sometimes get corrupted or stuck, and resetting it can bring everything back to normal. To do that, select the Remove tool in Photoshop. Then go to the top options bar, right-click the tool icon, and choose Reset Tool. This clears out any custom settings or broken configurations that may be causing the problem. After resetting, try using the tool again and check whether it behaves more normally. In a lot of cases, this alone is enough to fix unexpected Remove tool errors. Another very useful fix is to toggle Generative AI settings and adjust how the tool samples layers. Depending on your setup, Generative AI can sometimes create conflicts or instability. If you see the option in the top options bar, try turning Generative AI off and then test the tool again. Also, if you're editing on a new blank layer, make sure Sample All Layers is checked before you start brushing. This is important because it tells Photoshop to look at all visible layers while removing the object, which can improve the results and prevent confusing behavior. If you were working on a single layer before, creating a new blank layer and sampling all layers can often make the Remove tool much more reliable. If you want to go even further, it's also worth checking whether Photoshop itself needs an update, or whether your graphics processor is causing the issue. A buggy GPU driver or an outdated Photoshop build can sometimes interfere with advanced tools like this one. So if the Remove tool still won't cooperate after trying the steps above, update Photoshop through Creative Cloud, restart your computer, and test again. In many cases, a simple software update clears out hidden compatibility issues. So to quickly recap, if the Photoshop Remove tool is giving you an error, start by changing the processing mode from faster to more stable. Then, restart Photoshop. Next, make sure the necessary add-ons or components are installed through Adobe Creative Cloud. After that, reset the Remove tool from the options bar. And finally, try turning off Generative AI or using a blank layer with Sample All Layers enabled. These fixes solve most Remove tool problems without needing any complicated troubleshooting. I hope this tutorial saved you time and frustration. If it did, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if one of these fixes worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Photoshop tutorial.